In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Clickup workspace. Whether you're tidying up unused workspaces or simply looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and ease. First and foremost, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Clickup website. You'll be greeted by the Clickup homepage, which serves as your gateway to all things productivity. It's here where your journey begins. To proceed, you'll need to access your account by logging in. On the homepage, locate and click on the login option to move forward. The login page asks for your email. Enter the email associated with your Clickup account. It's vital that you use the correct email to ensure a smooth login process. After inputting your email, the next step is to enter your password. Make sure to type in your password accurately. Your Clickup workspace houses important tasks and information, so security is key. Upon entering your credentials, locate the login button and give it a click. You're now entering the heart of your productivity suite where your workspaces reside, including the one you intend to delete. Once logged in, head to your home page. In most cases, this will automatically be your main workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're navigating within the one you wish to delete. Next, seek out the profile icon, usually found at the bottom left of your screen or wherever your user interface elements are positioned in the current Clickup layout. Clicking this icon will open a menu where you'll find the Settings option. This option leads you to a myriad of settings related to your personal account and workspaces, among others. Within Settings, locate and click on Spaces. It's important to navigate this part carefully because you're dealing with workspace organization components. Spaces are essentially subsections of your workspace, and this area allows you to manage them. Your next step is to identify the space within your workspace that you wish to delete. Remember, a workspace can contain multiple spaces, so it's crucial to select the correct one to avoid removing vital components of your workflow by accident. Once you've found the space earmarked for deletion, it's time to proceed to the next step. Look for the three dots icon, usually positioned alongside the space name or in a corner. This icon represents additional options or settings related to the space. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu, and among those options you're looking for delete space. It's a decisive step, so ensure you're absolutely certain before proceeding. Click delete space to initiate the deletion process. This action prompts a confirmation dialog box to appear. It's Clickup's way of ensuring you're making an intentional decision. You'll likely be asked to confirm the deletion or perhaps enter the name of the space as a final check. Once you confirm, the space and all its contents will be permanently deleted from your workspace. And just like that, you've successfully removed an unnecessary space from your Clickup workspace. It's a straightforward process, but requires careful consideration at each step to ensure that only the intended parts of your workflow are altered. Before wrapping up, let's touch on a couple of important tips. Always double check the space you've selected to delete. It can't be stressed enough how vital it is to ensure you're removing the correct space, as this action is irreversible. Also, consider backing up any critical information or tasks from the space before deletion. It's better to be safe and have a backup than to lose important data. This guide aimed to provide you with a clear step-by-step process to declutter your Clickup workspace by deleting unnecessary spaces. By following these instructions closely, you can ensure your Clickup environment remains organized and efficient, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your productivity and work. Thank you for joining me in today's guide on how to delete a Clickup workspace. Remember, keeping your digital work environment tidy is key to maintaining productivity and focus. Until next time, happy organizing.